Hey y'all, it's NowIAmNappy and I'm back for a wash and style day video. I haven't done a little style video in a while, but I'm so excited because I will be using Henna sooq's Raw Natural Beauty Box. Y'all know I am an ambassador, so I love when these come in the mail. All right, and I have the Sweet Honey Shampoo Bar, which is honey and cassia. And I have the Sweet Honey Enriching Nourisher, which I cannot wait to use, you guys. This has honey, glycerin, sunflower oil, bentonite methyl sulfate. Y'all know I love these ingredients, and I add them constantly to my herbal mixes or my herbal deep conditioner mixes. So yes, I'm excited. Also in this box came this beautiful soap dish, which is perfect to put your shampoo bar on so it will dry without staying wet and moist and gross. And of course, we have this Sweet Honey Gloss Bar, but this will be for another video, which I cannot wait to use because we're putting this on the stovetop and I haven't done it yet. So I'm so excited to finally use that. So you guys gotta stay tuned for this video. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and use the shampoo bar and this enricher, nourisher. So let's go ahead and get started. So I begin by cutting about 1/3 of the shampoo bar off. This helps preserve the bar for a longer time, and the bar smells amazing. Perfect. So I just want to show you how well this shampoo bar lathers up. Even without sulfates in it, you just add a bit of water and the lather starts. All right, so I went ahead and rinsed my hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and suds up my hair with the shampoo bar. So you guys, the Sweet Honey Shampoo Bar is amazing. It has no SLS or sulfates in it. It is rich of pure essential oils and infused with honey and cassia, which helps you to gently cleanse and remove the oils and dirt and help your hair follicles grow faster. It also has rich antioxidant properties. It also contains antibacterial and antiseptic properties, which are wonderful for soothing issues like dandruff, eczema, and psoriasis. This bar helps deeply moisturize and condition your hair while gently cleansing. Next, I begin with the double boiler method to start heating up my Sweet Honey Hair Nourisher. This is a great deep conditioning treatment and is also infused with cassia and honey. Honey is also a natural humectant that deeply moisturizes your hair, and the cassia provides strength and shine to your hair. So go ahead and heat up this mask slowly until all the ingredients have dissolved. And I'm gonna actually choose to add in a few herbs. I'll begin with Ziphus powder, but you really don't need anything else in this mask. It is very moisturizing on its own. However, since I'm only going to be using about half of it, I am going to mix in some of my conditioner with it to help spread over my hair evenly, and I add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of my deep conditioner. Okay, so I just finished rinsing out the shampoo and I'm ready for my honey enriching nourishing treatment. It smells so good. And I'm go ahead with the back, and I'm gonna tell you all the benefits of using this mask in your hair. Okay. So some of the ingredients I want to highlight in this enriching hair nourisher is the fact that it has raw honey in it and vegetable glycerin. So raw honey includes all 9 essential acids and all non-essential acids except for asparagine and glutamine. Honey also contains all water-soluble vitamins and about 31 minerals. It also contains antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory benefits. So definitely honey is on your list of things you should be consuming and using in your hair. Next up is glycerin, which is an amazing humectant. It helps to pull moisture from the air and lock it into our tresses to keep you hydrated and moisturized hair all day. So the next ingredient I want to talk about is bentonite methyl sulfate, which is a cationic emulsifier, which means it is positively charged, which means it attracts both the oil and the water and binds it together to help leave your strands soft and silky and just overall amazing. It also helps prevent breakage by improving wet and dry combing friction. Okay, so I've applied the mask all to my hair. I'll be leaving on for 1 to 2 hours and just clip it up. Put your trusty plastic bag on and I'll come back when I'm ready for rinsing. Ooh, you guys, let me tell you, can y'all see the moisture? My hair is so light and fluffy. That mask was everything. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair in large twists until it dries some, and then I'm gonna come back on and style it for you guys. Okay, so my hair has dried in twists and I'm ready for styling. Are y'all ready? Okay, so for the first part, go ahead and put a side part here and then find your natural path to your ear, wherever that is. All right, now you're gonna just roll the section all the way up to this side. I'm gonna turn around for the back so you guys can see what I'm doing. You could choose to flat twist this to make it a bit neater. And if that's your preference, just go ahead. But I like to do this if I'm short on time and I want a sophisticated style. So, all right. Okay, now when you get to the top here, just continue to roll and then we'll pin it down. Once the hair is neat and to your liking, go ahead and take down this top section and twist it into 4 large twists. Okay, so now that you have these 4 twists, go ahead and twist these together into 1 large twist. Now loosely twist this, and then take this in and pin it up. Okay, you guys, so that's it. I'll give you a 360 of the finished look. It's your quick 5-minute, I'm getting ready for work and I'm late updo. And that's it, you guys, for this product review. I love using Henna Sooq products. So my hair is loving their Sweet Honey line. If you're interested in trying it, use my code, you guys, Michelle20 for 20% off. And of course, I'll put that link down below. And that's it. I'll see you next time. Bye.